I'm going to show you my wash and go routine. I'm starting off on an 8-day-old wash and go. It's super dry. If you want to know how I achieve my wash and go look, just keep watching. So I just want to step in and show you guys my shed hair after an 8-day-old wash and go. Mind you, I do not comb my hair during the week that I have my wash and go, nor do I refresh my curls with any other product except for water. So whatever happens when I get in the shower is between me and the brush and the tangles, but this is pretty good for 8 days. And if you're wondering why I have on a plastic bag, well, I was too lazy to get a shower cap. They both do the same thing, so sue me. Alright, so I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. There is no product in it at all. I just take down my 2 twists, and honestly, to me, a part will make or break your wash and go style if you choose to have one. So I just go in with my rat tail comb, and luckily my part was still kind of there from my last style, so I just go in there and kind of fix that a little bit. I usually just take my hair down a little bit, put it behind my ear, see if I like it. Yeah, I do. So the star of the show is going to be this Mousse texture foam from the Doux. This is the only product that I use for my wash and go. I swear by this. It has a leave-in in it already, so I don't need any other products in my hair except for this. It's the truth. I like to work with my hair in sections, so I split my hair in 2 and twist up half of my hair and clip it up out of the way. And then I'll take the other half and I will split that in 2. I twist up the front part and clip that out of the way, and then I take the back and I work with a smaller subsection. It's a lot easier for me to do my hair that way, and my hair becomes more defined that way as opposed to just putting all the product in my hair. Then I'll take my Felicia leather whip brush and get any tangles out, and I take about 2 pumps of the mousse and smooth it on my hair to make sure that there's no frizz. Since there's a leave-in, I don't mind it going close to my roots to keep my roots smooth. Then I'll take my fake Demon brush and I'll split my curls just a little bit, and then I will pull down and elongate them just so there's not that much shrinkage. And I'm going to show you guys here my first subsection and what that looks like with the mousse. So I do the front of my hair a little bit differently than I do the back of my hair, let's just say. I still detangle it with the Felicia leather whip brush. I still put the mousse on. I still detangle with my fake Demon brush, but I split the front kind of in half, and the hair that's closer to the perimeter by my face, I finger coil, just so that those hairs are a little bit more defined. So once I get to the front of my hair, I add a little bit more mousse to my roots just to lay those down just a little bit. And then I take this curl piece, ponytail, and edge slayer that I got from my daughter, but it works great in my hair. I use that as my edge control. I am not a slayer of edges. I was not gifted with those skills. So I just do my best by smoothing down my edges. So you're not going to see any fancy swirls and swoops. I just use the rat tail comb to make it look like I know what I'm doing. But really, I'm not a slayer of edges. So don't come to me to try to learn how to slay your edges, because I don't know. I can't help. Alright, so after that depressing attempt to do my edges, I like to go in and put a bobby pin to lay down my roots. And I also like to put one underneath by my ear, because this is the side that I usually keep pinned back. Man, look at the difference. Defined. I don't know what that other side is. We're going to slow it down just a little bit just so we can see the difference. Juicy and defined. Frizzy and dry. And this is all from one product. One product. I choose that side. You know what side I'm talking about. Please don't mind my fake edge slang. We already talked about this. So I know it's kind of split in the back, but once it dries, I'll fix that. And I usually don't like to pick my hair. I usually will let my hair get bigger as the days go on. The only time I'll pick my hair is after I take it out of my Grace Ely cap. I'll just pick it to get that line of demarcation out in the back. But other than that, this is my wash and go. This is how it turned out. I'll put a picture on the end of how it looks once it gets dry, but it wasn't that hard, and it looks good. And I'm back to slay for another 8 days. Thank y'all for tuning in, and like and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna have a lot more hair tutorials and things coming up. Bye.